a spicy version of a classic spicy chicken parm today, and I'm gonna show it to you two ways. One way, we're gonna make a spicy red sauce, and we're gonna do the classic. Or we're gonna serve it up with Calabrian chili paste mixed with honey, like a hot honey, and top that with stracciatella, which is fresh, stringy, it's like stringy, fresh mozzarella cheese. I have just some garlic simmering and some olive oil here. And I'm gonna add to that a little Calabrian chili paste. Or you can just substitute a good fat teaspoon of red chili flake, that's all fine. And we're gonna stir in our chili paste to our garlic oil. Then to that, we're gonna add a little stock or white wine, whichever. And I'm gonna stir out and cook out a little sun-dried tomato paste, which is super sweet and tangy. We're adding our nice sweet tomatoes, just a scant half teaspoon of sugar, or you can add a little drizzle of honey. I've taken boneless, skinless breast, or you can use boneless, skinless thighs and pound them out. I've butterflied them open. And then I salt and pepper both sides. So to my AP flour, all-purpose flour, I added a little salt and fine ground pepper. To my eggs, I added a little salt. For the breadcrumbs, I like the combo of the fine and the coarse pieces mixed together. And then an almost equal amount of Parmigiano. And then to that, I'm gonna add a little fennel seed, add a little oregano or marjoram, a little chili flake to make these spicy as well, and about a teaspoon and a half or half a palmful of granulated garlic. A large skillet with a shallow layer, about 1/8 of an inch of olive oil. Again, you want oil you can see through. Shake off your excess dry. This hand will do wet. Shake off your excess. Bread all of them, that's why I have this tray here. And then we're going to cook as many as the pan allows without crowding. And then we're gonna keep them warm in a low oven until we're ready to top them. I'll meet you right back here in a couple. So over the break, I added a little torn basil to our spicy tomato sauce. And we're gonna take 2 of our beautiful chicken parm cutlets, tons of parm cheese, and lots of spices already in the breading itself, cooked in olive oil. And I'm going to top that with a little bit of our spicy sauce, not too much. You don't want to lose all that great crunchy factor. We're gonna put some brick shredded, low moisture mozzarella, and some shredded provolone. I like a combo. So now, remember, we're doing 2 preparations here. So the second preparation is just some Italian-style hot honey. So we're gonna take the same Calabrian paste, or you can use red pepper, chili flakes mixed with your favorite hot sauce, and we're just gonna stir that into that honey that we thinned out and make a hot honey. These guys will top, and I'm gonna show you a simple salad that goes beautiful with the hot honey combo right after this. So we took our chicken parm traditional with the spicy tomato sauce, the provolone, and the mozzarella out from under the broiler. It's nice and brown and bubbly, literally. And now I'm gonna show you the second preparation. So for the second one, I did this almost like a chicken paillard. I took fennel, celery tops, and parsley, and made this crunchy, fresh, bright salad with just, so simple, lemon juice and olive oil, right? A little salt and pepper, and some toasted chopped hazelnuts for extra crunch. So I'm putting that pretty salad off to the side. I take our beautiful butterfly giant chicken cutlet, I put that over here, and we're gonna take our hot honey and drizzle that hot honey all over. We're gonna take that beautiful, glorious, look, those strings of fresh mozzarella, and pile that in the middle of that. What? For those of you that are more traditionalists out there, it ain't chicken parm without a side of pasta. Gigantic chicken breast with cheese.